Kum shibanta ka jingya chakmat ka jing pajbanya ya ka kot ka khia ki Kynthei ki longkme kat kum ka thong jong ka swast nari sashak parivar abhiyan campaign ka balas dang na do ka khat nyau tarek unai lur arja arpusan habbaro ka wikari ka office trekam ka district medical and health officer West Jylla Hills district na do ka tegasngi kala jam na ka wei ka snong shaka wei pan ban penlong ya ka health camp ba Kyrpang pat ha ka arpu khundai tarek unai lur arja arpusan kala penlong ha umulong CHC ha ka balas sakhi ya ka wan mi ki babun ki pajba ban pha pejbanya ya ka kot ka khia hakani ka health camp Kyrpang balapin long ha umulong CHC la wan banishim banta daulat ka Jylla u CH Vijaya Shankar kumukong san haringkat ka jia don lang u menteri ka kot ka khia u ba wailat mi ki Shilla Dr. N Karsano Director of Health Services MCH and FW Kakong B Bla Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jylla Hills District, Dr. P Shilla DMNHO West Jylla Hills District, Dr. H Uria District MCH Officer West Jylla Hills District, ki nong tray katanat kakot kakhia, ki pajba, ki khana school na lor ki wei. Uba wailat mi ki Shilla haba ai jingkran ulaong. Shibenta ka jat ben riu kadai ka ba Kheiñkor bha ya ki Kynthei, tang ba ka wei pat ka liang usosi ban yo I, ya ka jingkiu ki longkme ki ba khlat ha ka por kha khon, kumjo ru ka jingkhlat ki khlung. Ula kentui ki pajba ban sim khia ban penrung kerteng hapo ka scheme MHIS khnang ban yo jingarap haba pang basitom ula pensai ru hakabe day bat ka CM mothers scheme namar hado menta dang bon ki bampat penrung kerteng kumjo ban sim kabu ya ka tega scheme.
In Meghalaya, in our custom, we put the woman in the highest. We give our name, our property to a woman. That is, I think, the highest respect a woman could give. I to mani ko Kyrpang tam kiwa I Kheiñkori ya ka manbei. Ya ba tip bahai to I jat yong I to I ya ka bei. Ka spa ka phau to ya ka Kynthei ka khatdu. Tang Henry ku khanai phi hakani ka state Kau I Kheiñkor I katte snyao si uyo. La dapat wani ya ka numbers of mother mortality rate. La ni ka jing yap yong ki manbei hai por wa kha khon to ko he tam to dukat ka north east henry po India ro ko wi. Hai wi liang ong ito I ki manbei to ko Kyrpang tam. Tang hai wi liang to ki manbei ko jor tam ki wo yap hai por kha khon. Hai jo itle ya ki infant mortality rate la ni ka jing yap yong ki khonbo tagani to uperkhat janai ga nga karpado ya ki manbei go emni ho kapor dalai go mieulen hai por warim ki manbei yong I to dang khlan dang chait dang khlan gi ye giu kha bon mut ki khon tang hakani ga juk ko kat nim to de ko suk nei ba Ibam yung ikat nang mi kasi nang tlot di. Nay tay daw hay tuy por yoy hay por manchwa. Kiwi em go em khatsan ngot ki kon. Wat nga yala di ikat wi ngot chi payu. Hay por manchwa. Tang haga juk ko kat ni khanai phim to ko wat suk u kakam u yo kon tang le so ngot le. Tanay tay daw nga apilo perkhat janay. Kani to ka appeal ka jingkerpat hamut wa to ka sarkar ka em goi ni wo pen bor ya phi henry I do thia I nei benta yong ka chat ka khia ka yong phi kun mo yong I ka hel to ka chat ka khia to mi ukre dalai lei du de ka sarkar du de minister du gi MLA lam em ka jing ya kre lang yong ki pajba
Ulat ka Jylla u CH Vijaya Shankar habakran kumukong san ula Ïaroh ek Jinglong Kyrpang ka Jylla Meghalaya ka ba Kheiñkor bha ya ki Kynthei kenthop na do ka jing ai jan ka jing yok pateng ya ki jing don jing em batru hadien bala shongkha ushan rang ulet bansa shiyeng Kynthei habakran halor ka ni ka campaign ula kentui ki pajba ban wan shakmat ban shim kabu namar dei ka bala pen krek Kyrpang na ka benta jongki khlam ka nu ka do ka jing seo kenthop na do ka jing pej banya bat ka jing sumar.
Of course, I am from Karnataka, but here, particularly in Meghalaya, it is a female-dominated society. In our area, as soon as a girl gets married, girl is supposed to come to boy's house. But here it is not like that. As soon as a girl gets married, boy is supposed to come to girl's house. And another thing, another issue, particularly in our area, the ancestors' property right. Actually, it goes to the eldest son of the family. But in Meghalaya, the ancestors' property right goes to the youngest daughter of the family. The youngest daughter of the family. So the wonderful, actually, tradition we are able to see here. So this program, today's program, introduced by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, this is also related to women community in the entire nation. This program being introduced by the Prime Minister of this country this month 17th. This program is going to continue up to 2nd of October. 15 days program. What is the benefit you are going to get out of it? You see, anybody comes and take medical checkup under this scheme. To have any sort of diseases, medical problems, whether heart problem, cancer problem, kidney problem, any of the other issues, chronic issues related to your health, medicine is free, medical checkup is free, and after that, all type of treatments is totally free. All is free for you. Age is not bar. Any female community can get benefit out of this scheme. So that I come here to request you people, you come and participate in the medical checkup and get benefit out of this scheme.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.